So here's how you can save money and you can make money. Now I have done quite a bit of research and I've looked at on the internet how you can save money, make money, and I do find quite a lot of the same stuff. So hopefully this will give you some alternatives. So if you go to a scrap metal merchant, okay, so like a scrap yard, if you take some old car batteries, so if you've got like old car batteries, or if you've got some like metal like lead, aluminium, copper, steel, now they do pay more for lead and copper, but yeah, if you've got metal lying around, or if you're doing a refurbishment in your property, you're taking out some old metal and replacing it, then what you can actually do is, instead of somebody taking it away for you, if you take it to that scrap yard, what they'll do is they'll pay you money for it. Now you will need to take some ID with you, but they actually weigh it, so it'll be by weight. But say if you just took, say, 3 car batteries or a car battery, they would actually pay you money for that. So that's worth keeping in mind. So that's the scrap metal merchants. Now also on the same sort of area, reclamation. Now you can go to Reclamation Yards and you can buy, you know, goods from Reclamation Yards, but they will actually buy stone and flags and materials from you. So say for example, what happened was Shane knew somebody who had loads of flags and they wanted to get rid of these flags. So Shane said, oh well, if you ring the Reclamation Yard, they'll give you either 75p per flag and they'll come and collect the flag, so 75p per flag, or if you actually deliver it to them, they'll pay you £1. On your energy bills at home, you could be eligible for, in the UK you could be eligible for, it's called a warm home discount scheme, and you can get £140 off your energy bill. But you'll have to go onto the government website and see if you're eligible, and if you're eligible you can get that. I think it's starting in October time. And then in addition to that, there's also the cold weather payments. So you get £25 depending on how cold it is. So you'll get that £25 for a 7-day period if it's below a certain temperature. So if you look on the government website, type in cold weather payments and see if you're eligible for that. Now clothing, okay. If I take my clothes I take some to a charity shop. I have used the clothing banks before. Well, not a clothing bank, it's like Cash for Clothes. So if you take a bag of clothes, what they do is they sort of they actually weigh the clothes. So, and they pay per kilogram for the clothes. So if you're having well, not particularly a spring clean, but a spring clean or autumn, getting rid of your summer clothes and things, the children are growing up and you're getting rid of them, give some to charity, but also you can weigh some in as well. Now, the next one is beauty. Now, I've been to the hairdressers over the years. I'm not kidding you, the cost of haircuts and having your hair highlighted and all of that, it keeps on going up and up and up. So I went to college, and if you go to one of the colleges that do the the hair and beauty, they actually have commercial salons in there where you can actually go in and get your hair cut and get it coloured and do all treatments for males and females, so you can have your hair cut at really cheap prices. So for example, I was paying for a dry cut, I was paying at my hairdresser's £17. Now if I went to the college and just had a wet cut, that would cost me £6. But it does vary actually. I looked at another college and they would do it for £5. So there we go. Isn't that really good? If you have electronic devices, so if you have gaming items or phones or electronic or computers, devices that you don't need anymore, then you can go to cash converters, and there's one called CEX. Now if you go online, type in CEX, and you can actually get a list of all of the, say if you've got a gaming console, say a PlayStation 4 that you wanted to sell, they will actually show you online how much they'll buy it for. So you just go online, select the relevant area, you know, what the topic, and then it'll show you on there how much they'll give you. So same for phones, same for electronic devices, same for computers as well. So, and also if you want to buy something which is a bit cheaper than, you know, it's second hand, but you know, if you want to buy something, you can save yourself a bit of money there as well. Now gold. Now you can actually weigh in gold. So if you go to a jeweller's, or if you go to, I think it's Money Shop, they'll actually weigh the gold and give you the money for it. I suppose you need ID, but you know, you can do that. Now there is cashback as well that you can get. Now you can get cashback from bank accounts if you're starting up a new bank account, or if you doing a mortgage. I think AO.com, I think they are giving cashback on TVs, and you can get cashback cards as well. So if you're with, say, Utility Warehouse, then they do a cashback card. So you can get a certain percentage off either online shopping or from the actually going into the shop and paying online. Either going into the shop or paying online, so you get both. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give me a big like and hopefully subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Okay, bye!